Hi, I'm David Gassner. I'd like to welcome you to this newly updated course, Installing Apache, MySQL, and PHP. The lynda.com online training library offers many training courses that depend on a local installation of what's commonly known as an AMP stack. In this video series, I'll describe a number of ways to get started with a local AMP installation on both Windows and Mac OS X. I'll show how to use the separate components from the vendors who manage these software packages. I'll also show you some easier ways to get started with free software bundles such as WAMP Server, MAMP, XAMPP, and Bitnami. I'll describe how to configure Apache for use on Windows 8, and I'll offer some troubleshooting tips describing the issues that are reported most commonly by our members. We're going to continue to keep this course up to date as these software products evolve. I hope the course helps you get started quickly and easily with Apache, MySQL, and PHP.